we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Queyd 3.5 bar espresso machine, 4-cup stainless steel coffee maker with steam milk frother. Consists of the following features. Easy to use. With its simple one-knob control, this 3.5 bar espresso machine brews up to 4 cups of coffee effortlessly. Just turn the knob whether it's espresso, latte, cappuccino, or iced coffee, you're one twist away from your perfect drink. Ideal for beginners. Premium stainless steel, easy to clean. Made with professional grade stainless steel, no plastic in sight. Its sleek design complements any kitchen, featuring a smooth surface that wipes clean in seconds. The removable portafilter, nozzle, and drip tray come apart for quick, hassle-free cleaning. More than just a coffee maker, it's a stylish upgrade to your everyday routine. Small size, big brews. This espresso machine is built compact to save precious counter space. Measuring just 8.66 inch, depth, 6.61 inch, width, 11.81 inch, height, and weighing only 4.6 pounds, it fits anywhere and brews everywhere. Perfect fit for dorms, apartments, and cozy kitchens. Easy to move, simpler to use, and effortless to store. Smooth milk foam made simple. This coffee maker includes a 270 degrees swivel steam wand with anti-scald protection and easy-to-use controls. You don't need any experience, it effortlessly creates rich, velvety foam perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. The heat-resistant silicone sleeve makes it safe to handle and simple to clean. For even better results, try whole milk to create smooth macro foam that's ideal for latte art. Brew just the right amount. With its large yet flexible water tank, you can easily make anywhere from 2 to 4 cups of coffee. The clear water level markings take the guesswork out of measuring, just add water for exactly how many cups you want. Perfect for a full family. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.